In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete bills in QuickBooks Online. Managing your finances efficiently is key to keeping your business running smoothly, and QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool to help you do just that. Sometimes you may need to remove bills from your records, whether they've been entered by mistake or are no longer relevant. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process of deleting bills in QuickBooks Online, ensuring you can clean up your records quickly and accurately. And if you're new to QuickBooks Online, don't worry, you'll find a registration link in the description below to get started. All right, let's dive into the process. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you've entered your credentials and accessed your account, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which serves as the main hub for managing your business finances. Next, locate the Expenses tab. You'll find it on the left-hand side of your screen in the navigation panel. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the Expenses section where you can manage all your business transactions. From there, click on the Bills tab. You'll see this option within the Expenses section. Selecting the Bills tab will display a list of all the bills currently recorded in your QuickBooks Online account. Take a moment to review this list and locate the bills you want to delete. Once you've identified the bills you'd like to remove, check the boxes next to each of them. This step is crucial because it ensures that only the bills you've selected will be affected by the deletion process. Be sure to carefully review your selections. Before proceeding, double-check that you've selected the correct bills. Accuracy here is essential to avoid mistakenly deleting bills that you still need in your records. Take your time to confirm everything looks right. When you're confident in your selections, look at the top of the list and click on the Delete button. This action tells QuickBooks Online that you want to remove the selected bills from your account. Finally, QuickBooks will prompt you to confirm the deletion. This is an extra safeguard to ensure you're certain about the action you're about to take. Read the prompt carefully and, if everything looks good, confirm the deletion. Once confirmed, the selected bills will be permanently removed from your records. And that's it. You've successfully deleted bills in QuickBooks Online. With these simple steps, you can easily maintain clean and up-to-date financial records. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.